Good morning. I'm Jamie, Brian's wife, and I handle our social media. And I have talked Sabrina at our residential office and showroom and warehouse into giving us a few minutes to tour us through the behind the scenes of what we do in our warehouse every day. So let's go. Hello, Sabrina. Thank you for touring us through the warehouse today. How do you keep track of all of the stuff that is coming in and out?
We get stuff in, we track it in here, then we assign it to the actual client, assign it to the actual job. Then when a tech comes to come and pick something up, they'll actually check it out and it'll be assigned to them.
Okay, so we've got all these different wall plates and all different colors and finishes, and they all have to be kept straight and organized so that we're matching walls and
our pre-wire guys back here, we have different colors.
oh, so this is the pre-wire team, and when it comes to wire, we're the only ones around pretty much that have an in-house pre-wire team, right? So we've got a lot of wire that we stock. This isn't even touch. This is just overflow. Yeah, we've got a lot of pre-wires going on right now. All right. All right, Sabrina, so for the builders and designers and homeowners that we work with, why should they care about what's going on back here?
Well, they should know that we are a reliable partner when it comes to building clients' homes, and we'll make sure that we come prepared to a job site and not be scrambled all over the place, which will make a great experience for not only the builders but the clients as well.